Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you're well. My Feelunique beauty kit has arrived, so I thought I'll unpouch it with you. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Hit the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair, and let's go. Well, like I said, the kit is here. I think I did really well this month. There's a mixture of products. There's skincare, there's hair care, there's a bit of makeup. I've even got a mask in here, which is really cool. As you know, I do love a sheet mask. For those of you who are not familiar with Feelunique, it's a beauty website and they sell a wide range of products from hair care, skincare, makeup, body care. There's loads of bits and bobs on there. And once a month you're able to go on and pick 5 items for your beauty kit. Now, the beauty kit costs £12.95. You get to choose 5 deluxe mini sample sizes, and some of them can be quite big. And then you pay £3.95 delivery. You get the £3.95 back in the form of a redeemable voucher, but you just can't redeem the voucher against another beauty kit, unfortunately. I've tried, it doesn't work. I know, it's unfortunate. So let's dig in to see what I've got. Like I said, there's a mask in here. I'm really pleased. I'm very excited. So off of the top, we've got the Wen Youth Recharger. It's a mask, a sheet mask, and it's for the neck, and it says it's a bio-cellulose sheet mask. This looks so cool. I've never tried a neck mask before. It says it's a gentle all-natural sheet. It's made from coconuts, it's biodegradable, super hydrating, exceptional adhesion, which is absolutely great. And if I show you here, this is kind of what it looks like and how you apply it. You leave it on for 30 minutes. So I would go in with my cleansers, then I'll tone, and then I'm going to pop this on. And let's see if I can get it out of the packaging. I'm not going to open it up now, but here's what it looks like. It's a rather large mask. I'm hoping it fits, you know, and there's the back. I'm going to do this in a Mask Monday. I think it'd be quite an exciting one to do, so keep your eyes peeled for it. It will be coming soon. So I'm very much looking forward to trying that. The next item, please forgive me for my pronunciation of this. It's the Zartage, I think, Botanical and Vegan Paris. It's a repairing hair mask. Now this one is a quick one. You leave it on for 5 minutes, which is absolutely fabulous. On the back it says you just wash your hair with your shampoo, rinse it out, and then go in with this and just massage it through the hair. I would pay particular attention to the ends. I've got quite dry, not very nice ends. Leave it on for 5 minutes and rinse it off, which is a really nice quick one for the shower. And it says it's for damaged and sanitized hair. Whatever that means. I don't know if my hair is sanitized. It's sensitive. I don't know if it's sanitized. We will see what this smells like. I'm going to pop just a tiny bit on my hand just to see if it has any fragrance. Oh, this is very thick, very white and creamy, which is nice. Let's rub it in a bit. Oh yeah, that smells really nice. That's kind of, it reminds me of like vanilla. Oh, but it's fruity as well. Yeah, I really like that. And today I don't have anything with me to wipe it off, so we're just gonna have to sit on my hands for a minute. Yeah, so I'm really looking forward to trying that. At the moment I'm just using up the last of my Hask hair mask. I've got a nice large bottle of it, so I'm really looking forward to trying that one. The next item I have is the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Marine Cleanser, and this one is anti-aging, and it says it's a skin energizing cleanser, which is really cool. Now I did use the marine cream and I didn't get on with it, so I'm kind of hoping that I can get on with this. So let's see what this smells like. So I'm going to have hair mask and cleanser on my hands. which is going to be nice. I'm wondering if this actually smells like the actual marine cream. Now here's what it looks like. So it's like a gel, which is quite cool. Oh, I can smell that hair mask. Yes, it does have fragrance in there, and it does smell the same as the marine cream, which reminded me of the Huda Beauty foundation, that very strong fragrance. I'm glad this is a cleanser, and that because of the amount of fragrance in it, it will just massage into my skin for a bit and it will just all come off, obviously with warm water, because I do not want all that fragrance on my face. It's not, no, it is very heavily fragranced. The next item I have is the Burt's Bees Night Cream. Now, the only thing I've tried from Burt's Bees is their lip balm, which I absolutely love, and my daughter swears by them. So when I saw this, I thought, absolutely fabulous. Yeah, so I can't wait to try this. I'm going to pop this on my other hand, just so I can see if there's any fragrance. So at the moment I can smell his mask and the cleanser. We had a nice seal on there. Oh, this is nice and thick as well. Very thick and creamy. There we go. As you can see, it's not kind of running away. It has a very slight fragrance. That reminds me of the lip balms. It's rubbing in very well. It's not as thick rubbing in as it kind of feels when it comes out of the bottle, but that is rubbing in very well, very, very well. Having trouble speaking. Yeah, that's a really strange fragrance. It kind of reminds me of sort of like honey and then plastic. That's a very strange one, but yeah, that's what it kind of reminds me of. Now the last item we have, I'm really excited about, because I think this is full size as well. This is the Essence What the Fake Mascara. I have this in the shade black, and it says add volumizing fibres. Now look at the size of this. Can that be full size? It says it's 16 mils. That must be full size, which is an absolute bargain, I think, to be able to get it in the kit. And I'm so pleased to see that they're sticking sort of makeup items in there. Now the wand with this, I'll just pop that up there, is my ideal kind of wand. I like that. We've got proper bristles. It's kind of tapered at one end, which is cool. And you can see, if I can bring it up close, there is like little kind of fibery bits hanging off of it, which is really cool. I've never tried a fibre mascara before, and I've not tried very many products from the brand Essence either. So I'm really excited to try this. I'll let you know how it goes in a faves and fails. I'll either love it or I hate it. You know, that's how it goes with mascara. And as per usual, you get another free pouch. Now these are kind of stacking up in my cupboard now. So what did you think of my picks this month? I did well. I did very, very well. And there's a lot of items that I'm very much looking forward to trying. Let me know in the comments below if you get the beauty kit, and I'd love to know what your picks are. I'd like to know if, you know, you get the beauty kit, if there's any items you'd like to see Feelunique provide, because it's very heavily skincare based. I've noticed they've started introducing more hair care products. There's a few makeup items going in there, but it'd be nice for them to pop in sort of like, you know, mini travel highlighters and blushers and things like that. That would be really cool. Now I have done nothing but talk, so I'm gonna finish my tea. But thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.